Okay, Beaks, in this video we're going to show you how we're going to convert our old honey hut into a new honey hut that we had built on the other side of the store. So stay tuned. Okay, Beaks, we've had this trailer for approximately 7 years. We got it in 2014, and it has served us faithfully as a honey extractor vehicle. We've equipped this with a hot water heater, sink, cabinets. We've had all of our honey processing equipment in here, everything from the extractor to the uncapping tank. So we've done a lot with this trailer. However, it's time to move on. So in this video, we're going to show you our build of our new honey house. However, we're not going to get rid of a lot of the equipment that we have. We're actually going to rebuild some of it, repurpose it, paint it, clean it up, and we're going to move it over there. So let me take you through our whole process, starting with the extractor. Okay, Beaks, this is the part of the build that I'm mostly excited about. We've had this extractor since 2014, over 7 years, and never had a problem with it. So today, we're going to take it off the stand that it's on, because we're inside of the trailer, and we're going to move it into the shop. We're going to take the legs off, we're going to paint these legs, and we're going to put caster wheels on them, so that when we take them into the new shop, this thing will no longer be stationary, but it'll be mobile, so we can move it where we want to. Let's take this apart. Alright, now that we got the legs off, this is our next task. We're going to take these legs, we're going to sand down some of this rust and the honey part that was on there. Then we're going to actually drill a bigger hole right here in the foot, where we're going to actually put these 4-inch caster wheels on. Keep watching. Okay, so now that we have the legs off, we're going to go ahead and sand it down to prepare for painting. Okay, for this part of the project, I'm actually going to use a Rust-Oleum 2x Ultra Cover paint and primer to paint the legs. So let's get at it. Alright, I'll finish this and we'll move on to the next part. Okay, Beats. After taking this thing apart, cleaning it up really good, painting it black, drilling a hole in the leg for the casters, now it's time to actually put the casters on, and then we'll put the leg back on the extractor, and this part of the project will officially be finished. So, first thing you want to do is you want to try to get at least a 4-inch size wheel, and I got this from Home Depot. It's the closest box store that we have to us, and you will use a 7/16 nut, a couple of washers, and a lock washer. Alright. First you put the washer between here and the bottom. Alright. Then you put the next washer on, the lock washer, and then you'll screw the 7/16 nut on. Now here's the key to this thing. Probably gonna take 2 people, right? Because on the caster, the top of it actually spins, so you're gonna need a wrench in order to keep it from spinning. So it's gonna take 2 people. So you see here, Bev, she's gonna tighten it up, and I'm gonna hold the caster down so that it does not move.
Okay, ready?
Good, good. There you go. It's that simple. Then you have a lock caster that'll go on the extractor, so whenever we're using the extractor, you can lock the wheels and the extractor should be mobile. Let me get this back on and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, Beaks, here's the finished product and the first step in our honey house rebuild. So as you see, now we have an extractor that is mobile, so we'll be able to move it and clean behind it so it won't be stationary and sticky. Alright, until next time. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, stay tuned as we continue this honey house build.
Perfect.